In this video, I will show you how to fix Ms-Windows-Storepurgecache file system error. This fix should work for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, go to Settings. First go to Services. Click on Services. Search for Windows License Manager Service. Once you find it, just click on it. You're going to find it at the very bottom. So double click on it. And then we have to set this to automatic and then click apply. Then make sure you have it running. So right now mine is running. Click on start if it wasn't running. Click on OK. Then close this window. Then open PowerShell as an administrator. Right click, run as admin. Yes. Now you need to paste this command and then hit enter. You're going to find it in the video description. Just copy it and then paste it here and then hit enter. Wait for it to finish running. This will take a few minutes. And if you see red text, that's totally normal. Just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, finish running, you will see this. Now you can close the window and then go ahead and restart your computer, and this should fix the problem for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.